Imagine making money while you're at a barbecue with your favorite people. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it is very true. And why avoiding platforms like Etsy will save your sanity. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Today, I'll break it down how I generate $12,000 a month by creating and selling my own digital products. Plus, I'll share why relying on platforms like Etsy can literally feel like playing dodgeball and getting hit with a wrench in the face with hidden fees. Gotcha. Can you tell me what movie that's from? Make sure you tell me down in the comments. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Stick around if you're ready to build a business that's scalable, sustainable, and lets you stay in control. Digital products are perfect for making income, and here's why. Digital products are like the sourdough starter of the business world. You create the sourdough starter once, and it keeps giving, without you having to babysit it constantly. Think of these 3 digital products: ebooks, courses, and memberships. These are digital goodies you sell online with zero need for inventory or shipping. Your profit margin is basically all profit. Back when I ran my construction business, I got tired of answering the same client questions over and over again. It was at that point I thought, why not turn this into a guide and save my breath? That's when one of my digital products was born. It was a home renovation checklist for homeowners. And it actually saved me time, helped my clients, and made me money while I worked on other projects. It was a simple solution. Digital products are also perfect if you're tired of trading time for the mighty dollar. You're building something once that generates income over and over again. It's like having a vending machine and people are buying your knowledge. You may be wondering why I said to avoid Etsy. Oh, sweet dear Etsy. It's like a tempting candy store. You think it's sweet, but you end up with a sugar rush and then you crash. Sure, the idea of posting a product and watching sales roll in does sound amazing. But here's the reality. Etsy is oversaturated. Imagine trying to sell lemonade at a crowded summer fair, where 50 other stands are selling the same lemonade for 10 cents less. I've seen people create amazing digital products, like recovery guides for pain clinics or project templates for contractors, only to watch them get lost in Etsy's black hole of competition. On top of that, Etsy uses what's called a bait and switch tactic. And here's an example of that. The online store advertised a sale on high-end headphones at a ridiculously low price. But when the customers tried to purchase them, they were told the stock was already run out and were instead pressured to purchase a more expensive pair. This is known as a classic bait and switch tactic. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like to play that way. Between listing fees and ads, you're out of pocket before you even make a sale. Instead, I focus on building my own audience and selling directly. No middleman, no stress, no hidden fees. It's like having your own lemonade stand on your front porch, where customers show up just for your lip-smacking lemonade. Here's why building your own audience is worth it. Let me say this loud and clear. Building your own audience is the best decision you're ever going to make for your business. I never said it's going to be easy, and it will take some work. Honestly, figuring out Etsy's algorithm or dealing with their always changing rules is not easy either. When you grow your own email list or social media following, you're creating a community that is all yours. When I started sharing do-it-yourself construction hacks on live video, people loved it. They then joined my email list and always asked for more tips. Those same people became the first to buy my digital products. Over time, this turned into a loyal community, and that's what made all the difference. Plus, YouTube isn't just for selling digital products. There's plenty of opportunities for ad revenue and could possibly get brand deals when your channel grows. So the cool thing? One platform with several ways to grow income streams. Think about how huge this could be for you. While email marketing is totally non-negotiable, email marketing is literally 40 times more effective at driving sales and social media. 40 times! Here's why. Social media is like yelling into a noisy room. Only a handful of people will actually even hear you. But emails, on the other hand, are like whispering directly into someone's ear. When I ran my pain clinic, I used emails to send wellness tips and updates about new services. Clients stayed engaged and they kept coming back. Today, I use emails to nurture my audience with helpful content like free guides and tips. Then, when the time is right, I pitch my digital products. Don't overthink it. Start with something simple like a free checklist or a template. Once you've got people on your list, you can automate emails to nurture them without doing any extra work. It's like setting up a crock pot for your marketing. Prep it once and let it simmer until dinner time. Hey, honey, what's for dinner? Oh man, I'm getting hungry. All right, back to it. How do you stand out in a crowded market? Here's the golden rule. Just be yourself. People don't just buy products. They buy from people they trust and connect with. You don't have to be perfect. In fact, you is what makes you, and that's how you stand out. When I started making videos, I was nervous about showing my personality because I was told years ago I like to play and have fun and that I laugh too much. That I was not being professional enough. That's a bunch of bunk, and those people can go suck an egg because hoity-toity is not who I am. When I started sharing goofy stories, like the time I tried to assemble 172-piece IKEA furniture without the manual after opening all the bags, people really resonated with that. They liked that I wasn't just teaching, but that I was also relatable. So whether you're sharing wellness tips, construction hacks, or life lessons, let your personality shine. That's how you turn your viewers into loyal fans and customers. It's that time. Take action because now it's your turn. Start brainstorming your digital product and think about how you can build your own audience. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to go deeper into creating or selling digital products, check out my free guide for 25 digital product ideas. Go to the link. It's down in the description below. Or if you want a copy of my new revised ebook, please type copy in the comments and I'll send you the information. It's packed with actionable tips to help you get started and grow a prosperous digital business. Thanks for hanging out today. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what movie I mentioned. And watch the next video for even more tips on building a successful digital product business. I can't wait to see you there.